don't see what Buhari government is doing on insecurity are miserable, pitiable souls. The presidential aide, Femi Adesina. Femi Adesina said this amazing because the Buhari administration, according to him, has made several efforts to curb terrorism. Wow. Anyway, it's not going to be shocking, and it can never be shocking to Nigerians because Femi Adesina is fond of insulting Nigerians every now and then. It has become his tradition. Anytime he speaks, he must insult Nigerians. But blindly saying what people, are trying to point out. Anybody that does not take correction must surely fail. Anyone that does not listen to advices must surely fail. It's a nature. That is it. This government is fond of doing things the way it pleases them, how they like it, and have this kind of lackadaisical attitude towards every other thing. The insecurity in Nigeria is nothing to tell home about. And there is no sane person in this country who say he or she is happy, with what is happening. People are dying in the hands of Boko Haram bandits every day by day. But this government continue claiming that they are doing, their best. Then if this is their best, that means their best is not enough. But instead of them to be focused, they keep on, pointing out what people are saying and all that. I don't think this is going to help us. Anyway, guys, let's get straight to the news and get the full details. But before then, if you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for always coming out here. I really do appreciate. The special advisor to the president, Muhammadu Buhari, on social and publicity, Femi Adesina, says he is surprised to hear people claim the president treats terrorists with key gloves while going hard on separatists. Adesina said this amazing because the Buhari administration, according to him, has made several efforts to curb terrorism. He said, what the Buhari government does daily is to send terrorists to their early grave. According to him, the victories of the Nigerian army against terrorists can be seen from reports in Arrow Nigeria, a pioneer press release distribution agency in Nigeria that keeps the country appraised of what is happening, particularly on security and defense matters. He further described the critics of the Buhari government as most miserable, not foreseeing the exploits. In his weekly article, he wrote, "It amazes, even confounds to hear people say President Muhammadu Buhari should go after Boko Haram terrorists and bandits with the same gesture he has displayed against separatists in the country. Amazing and confounding because what the Buhari government does daily in the northeast, the northwest, and the north central parts of the country where terrorists and bandits are banned is send them to God to answer for their crimes. This much has been confirmed by the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya. Here, the Army General, on the day he was decorated with his new rank, that is what we have started doing already. Many of them have been sent to God to answer for their crimes, and we will continue to do that. President Muhammadu Buhari had ordered the security forces to crush all violent criminals and those sponsoring insurrection in the country, vowing that they would be treated in the language they understand. And it is happening without let or hindrance, without fear or favor. Why then do some people claim that certain troublers of the country are being treated with softer hands than some others. This could be due to deliberate ignorance, mischief, or pure hatred. Those who nearly follow the war against insurgency and banditry in the north part of the country and who want to be honest would admit that no quarter is being asked and none is being given. Every effort is being made to extirpate the evil from our body politely. PR Nigeria is a pioneer press release distribution agency in Nigeria. It keeps the country abreast with what is happening, particularly on security and defense matters. For a graphic picture of what has been happening in the anti-terrorism banditry war, let's look at some of the information that had been disseminated in the past 8 months or thereabouts. On January 7, 2021, PR Nigeria reported Nigerian troops eliminated 30 terrorists in an ambush. This happened in the Timba Kutu, Tarangan along the Ikara and Gorigori axis of Borno State. 10 days later, on January 17th, this was the Patch head troops hit Boko Haram convoys, kill many terrorists in Mata. According to the report, scores of terrorists were neutralized in their bid to attack Mate in Borno State. On February 22nd, 23rd, Mate was in the news again after the terrorists had launched an attack, seizing the town temporarily. The Nigerian troops recovered Mate and scores of terrorists killed. On March 9, this was the news item. Nigerian troops eliminated 33 Boko Haram fighters. That happened at Chingudu, also in Borno State. Buhari not treating Boko Haram with an iron hand as it does separatists. Hear this one from PR Nigerian on March 21. NAF helicopters killed dozens ISWAP Boko Haram fighters in Damascus, destroy 4 gun trucks, he said. So guys, you've all heard it now. A lot of Nigerians have reacted to this. There is no time for me to go, to their reactions and all that. I'm going to drop it here. Kindly hit the comment section.